On the first question, you are requested to find alpha, and here also on the second question, you are requested to find alpha. So the first thing what you are going to do, just extend this line here. So if you are extending this line, straight line, then this measurement will be 80 degrees because 100 plus 80, 180, it will create a straight line. So if this one is 80 degrees, this one will be the same thing, 80 degrees. And if this one is 80 degrees, this line is a bisector of the total angles, so this will be 80 degrees. So from the definition, just you can, if there are two straight lines, and if there is, this one is alpha and this one is just 2 times 80 plus 80, it is 160 degree. So based on the rules, if there are this one is D1 and if this is D2, so and if D1 is parallel to D2, then the angle between them is equal to this angle. The sum of the angles, alpha plus 160 degree, must be 180 degree. So if this one is beta, alpha plus beta must be 180 degrees. So alpha will be 180 minus 160, then alpha will be 20 degrees. So the value of alpha, this one will be 20 degrees. So in the second question, the same thing. If you extend this one, just if you create a straight line here, this will be how much? 180 minus alpha. 180 minus alpha, this one also the same thing. If this one is 180 minus alpha, this one will be 100 minus alpha. This one also 180 degrees minus alpha. So that means 60 degree, the same thing. The second one, this one, just like D3, D1. This one is just 2 times 180 minus alpha, right? 180 minus alpha, 180 minus 2 times 180 minus alpha, this one is 60. So that means 2 times 180 minus alpha plus 60 degrees is equal to 180. Right? Then 360 minus 2 alpha plus 60 will be 180, right? Then 360 plus 60 minus 180 is equal to 2 alpha. Then this minus this one, it will be just 180. 180 plus 60 is 2 alpha. Then it will be 240 is equal to 2 alpha. Then alpha will be 240 over 2, which is 120 degrees. So this will be 120 degrees.